Hello, my name is Umesh, and this video is very important for every flat buyer or property buyer. The flat buyers or property buyers who are facing the difficulty in getting the possession of flats within the stipulated time from the developer, and they seek their refund or compensation, and builder is also giving you refund or compensation as per the terms and conditions of contract which was made by developer, and that terms and condition is one sided, and that condition is only favoring to developer or builder. In that situation, if you are not satisfied with the compensation or refund which is given by developer as per the terms and condition of contract, you can move to consumer court or consumer commission for additional compensation or additional relief. As per the judgment of Supreme Court, when the builder is committing gross delay in delivering the possession of flats, at that time he's committing a deficiency. In that situation, consumer court has the jurisdiction to pass adequate relief or additional compensation for flat buyers. Consumer court or commission will not confine to the terms and condition of agreement which was made by developer. For example, if you have bought a 1 BHK flat in Mumbai in 2012 from a builder, and the builder was agreed to give you possession of that flat with in 2020, and still he has not given you possession. Now he is committing gross delay in possession of flats, and you are not satisfied with that, and you are asking for refund or compensation, and he is giving you 3,000 per month of compensation. That is very less, and you are not satisfied with that. Then you can approach the court, consumer court or consumer commissions, for adequate relief or additional compensations. Thank you so much.